Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm excited to be here today to share with you some finishes. I finally finished some things, so I'm super happy about that. As you can see, these are some of my Make Market Mini. These are the little kits that I bought so that I would have something to work on in the car while we were traveling. And though many of you doubted it, yes, you absolutely can diamond paint in the car, or at least I can. So I'll stick some video in here of it. I didn't want to include the audio. It was mostly my husband and son and I chit-chatting and things playing on the radio in the background, which can get you in copyright issues with YouTube for music. So yeah, I'm just going to talk over it, but you can absolutely diamond paint in the car. It is not the greatest, I will freely admit. I basically just put something on my lap. I think I was diamond painting with the case that I had the drills in. No, my son had a lap desk, so I was using that. That's what I was doing. And I was able to diamond paint. So I was diamond painting in the video on this one, which is the Taj Mahal. And this is the Landmarks Make Market one. I'll stick a link to the kit down below so that you can pick it up if you're interested. I think they have two different sets of these like landmarks, but this is the Taj Mahal. Now, my drill work isn't great. It's not perfectly straight because we were in the car, but you can recognize that it's the Taj Mahal, the little lake in front of it, all the little trees and everything. So I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the way it turned out. And I'm happy that it kept me occupied. Like I said, I put myself, I think I mentioned in one of my whip-in chats, I put myself in the back seat while we were driving through New York and some of the New England states so that I didn't have to watch the crazy traffic, because driving an SUV with a big trailer attached did not sound like fun, and everyone gets way too close for me in my personal bubble, so it was better if I just sat in the back. I diamond painted, my husband and son talked. 4 hours passed before I knew it. So I did work on these some in the hotel too, but I did work on them in the car. So I've got the Taj Mahal finished, and then I was able to finish the pyramids. I really like this one too. So you can see we've got all the little pyramids here. Let me scoot that down so you can see the whole thing. We've got the little sun in the sky, the little banks of the river here and everything. And then the other two were portrait rather than landscape orientation. So I've got the Statue of Liberty over here. And I really like how this one turned out too. I really think even for as small as they are and as pixelated as they are, I think it's really recognizable what they all are. The New York skyline and everything, and then her standing on the little pedestal, a couple of little red dots up there, red drills for the flame. I think it looks really good. And then the last one in this series was the Eiffel Tower. And again, not huge amounts of detail because of how small they are, but recognizable, and I think they turned out really well. So I'm really happy with all of these. I need to find some book or something to put them in. My little travel book that I had for these size things, I actually am using for my cover sheets, and these are big enough. I don't think they would fit in there actually anyway. These are, I think, 5x7. My other mini kit is a little bit smaller, the one I'm going to show you in a minute. But like I said, I'm super happy with how these all turned out. So definitely like the Make Market. They did what I wanted them to do. They kept me occupied. They were fun. I think they turned out really nicely, and they weren't that expensive. So those are the landmark kits. Let me show you the other mini kit that I bought. So the other mini kits that I bought are the little succulent plants, and I'll stick a link to these down below as well. But I just really love how these turned out. They're kind of like cactuses, even though it said succulents, but whatever. But I love the little designs on all of the little pots. So there's this one, and then we've got like this little spiky aloe vera plant. We've got this one that looks more like a traditional cactus with the little yellow flowers and everything on it. We've got another kind of spiky aloe vera type looking plant, but I like, again, how all the pots are different. And then we've got this one here, which I don't know what kind of a cactus that is, but I like the little like adobe looking pots. And then this one down here as well. This series, I think it took me about 10 hours to finish the Landmark series. Because these are not full, because these are partial, this only took me 2.5, 3 hours to finish all 6 of these. I just sat down when we were watching television. Hubby was watching, I was just listening, and I diamond painted and got them all finished. So super happy with all of these. I think they turned out really well. Really happy with the drills. I had hardly any trash, and they were super fun and quick to do. Even the landmark ones, I didn't have a ton of trash, though they're more full drill than some of the other ones. But yeah, I just think they all turned out really cute. Drills were nice, good experience, inexpensive for what they are, and really happy with them. So I have one more Make Market kit, and that is one I bought when they very first hit the market. It's the Roman Colosseum, which I should get out and do. My husband and my son keep wanting to go see the new Gladiator movie when it comes out. I have zero interest in that, but just to fit in the theme of things, I could get that one out and do it. That one is a full drill kit and it's pretty large. It's not a small mini kit like this. But anyway, so leave me a comment below and let me know, have you done any of these Make Market kits from Michaels? Michaels is actually a store that exists in Canada. So if I want to go get some more, they won't have any in our local store. I don't even know if we have a local Michaels. I think I have to drive into another town. But if I go somewhere larger, then they will for sure have a Michaels, a larger town, and I can maybe get some more of their other kits. I've been seeing people posting about Christmas kits and anything. I actually went and looked before we left the States to see if our local Michaels had any like Christmas kits, and they didn't. That's when I bought these. So maybe it was just too early in the season and they didn't have them yet. I don't know. Anyway, that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.